All right, so I'm going to show you in Google Ads how to set up an accounting and bookkeeping intent-based audience, which is basically people that are showing that they want to buy bookkeeping services or accounting services or tax services. This is perfect for bookkeeping companies and accounting companies to target people and then serve up YouTube bumper ads, YouTube discovery ads, and Google display ads. Let's jump right in. I'm Rob from Feedback Wrench, and we do websites and ads for accountants, bookkeepers, and other small businesses. So here I am. Let's just assume that you're in your Google Ads account and you've figured this out. What we're going to do is we're going to go up to Tools and Settings. Okay. Once you get to Tools and Settings, we're going to go to Audience Manager. And once you're on Audience Manager, we're going to go to Segments, go to Custom Segments, and we're going to hit plus on the custom segment. Now I'm going to give this one a name, and I'm going to call it, this one in particular, I'm going to do Accounting Services, and then I name it so that I can search for it later on. That's a little pro tip. So I've given this segment a name. Now, there's a couple of options here. You have people with any of these interests or purchase intentions, or people who've searched for any of these terms on Google. So again, this is showing behaviors. Enter keywords describing your ideal customer's interests or products and services that they're actively researching to buy. Your ads will reach people with those interests or purchase intentions based on your campaign settings, such as marketing objective or bidding. So this is basically taking all sorts of data across Google's platforms and saying, hey, they're interested in bookkeeping services. Whereas people who searched for any of these terms is going to be very specific. If you search this term, then you'll belong to this audience. Well, we're going to do this intention-based, okay? So we keep that first one. And now what we're going to do is we're going to say accountants near me. And what should happen here, so you have tap CPA, best accountant tax advisors near me, best CPA tax accountant near me, CPA tax accountant near me, tax advisor CPA near me, tax and accounting services near me. And we're just going to keep going through here and add them all. I'm going to pause it real quick. I am focusing on the near me keywords because those are take action. There's really only two types of people that'll do this, either accountants checking where they rank or folks that want a solution right next to it. So let's we'll dive in. I'm going to pause it. We'll fast forward here. All right, now I've omitted some of these that were more around the personal taxes. So if you take a look at this is going to be people looking for CPA, tax accountant, tax and accounting firms near me, a whole bunch of near me services. And this is a great accounting and tax services near me. Now, what we can do is we can use this in a series of great ads. So that, my friends, is how you create an audience. And now we're going to deploy that in a campaign, which will be another video here. But that's how you make a customer list of people who are looking to purchase an accounting or bookkeeping service. Good luck. God bless.